Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic, that is the best tool for auto annotation that you should know. Every few months a new training data platform hits the market, offering new revolutionary capabilities such as quicker auto annotation tool or increased accuracy. It's simple to become perplexed while attempting to select the ideal picture annotation tool for your need, but it's critical to optimize your data annotation procedure to ensure your model's high performance and dependability. As a result, selecting the proper technology for your computer vision task is very crucial. Top paid auto annotation tool. Let me begin by noting that we will not be overlying proclaiming V7 to be the finest picture auto annotation tools available. We won't brag about people calling V7 the most adaptable and powerful tool for image and video annotation, or that we are the top training data platform. No, none of that is true. Making such big remarks is our own piece is not the best place to do so. Instead, we like to invite you to give V7 a try to see we are deserving of all the wonderful feedback we have received. V7 is an auto annotation platform that combines dataset management, picture and video annotation, and the model training to accomplish labeling jobs automatically. They are the sum of the highlight. Number one is annotation characteristics are the automatically generated without the requirement for prior training. Multiple models and the human in the loop phases are possible with composable workflow. Large scale data management that remains stable. Data labeling service that are integrated. Real time collaboration and the flexible user experience annotation tool for the video that is frame perfect. For more detail, you can read the description. I will add the all blocks in it. And for more detail, you can also visit to our company website, that is with the name of 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So let's discuss about the label box. Label box is the data platform for training that is made up three layers that help with anything from labeling the collaboration to iterator. It was founded in 2018 and has since grown to become one of the most widely used data labeling application. Let's discuss about the feature. Labeling with the help of artificial intelligence, we called it BYO models. Data labeling services that are integrated, tooling the quality assurance and the quality control as well as the process for label review. Analysis of the performance of strong labelers. Task may be made easier with the customizable interface. Free 5000 images, custom pro and enterprises plans available. Scale AI. This is the data platform that allows huge amount of 3D sensors, picture and video data to be auto annotation. The scale previous machine learning powder pre-labeling and automated quality assurance system, dataset administration, document processing and AI assisted data at annotation tools of anonymous driving but not data processing. This data annotation tool supports several data formats and may be used for a range of computer vision applications such as object identification, classification and text recognition. Characteristic: pre-labeling and machine learning. Number 2 is management of the nucleus dataset. Number 3 is goal setting in an automated QA system. Feature of document processing, and the last is data curation using a model in the loop. Super Annote. This is the image and video annotation tools that automates and simplifies computer vision operation from the start to finish. Let's discuss the feature of the same. So number 1 is labeling with the help of artificial intelligence. Number 2 is semantic segmentation with super pixels. Number 3 is quality assurance system of the highest level. And the last is number 4 is image conversion support a variety of formats. Next is CVET. This is an open source web based image and video auto annotation tool supported and maintained by Intel of labeling data for the computer vision. The main task of supervised machine learning are object recognition, picture classification, and image segmentation, which are all supported by CVET boxes, polygon lines, and points are the four main forms of annotation available. So, features to look for: annotation is the semi automatic shape, interpolation between keyframes, annotation project and task are listed on the dashboard. LDAP support a wide range of annotation tools such as automated annotation and the video interpolation utilizing the TensorFlow object detection API. It's collaborative and web based. CVET is a simple to set up on the local network using Docker, but it must be maintained as it grows. Annotation is the semi automatic. Next is Label Me. This is the MIT Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory invented Label Me, an online annotation tool. It offers a digitized picture dataset to auto annotation. Features: modification of control point, removal of segmentation and polygons. They are the six different sort of annotation and the list of document. For more detail, you can visit to our company website and have a look for the same, and you will know more about it. And the last is labeling. This is the image annotation tool that is used bounding boxes to name things in pictures. Python was used to create it. The annotation can be saved as XML files in PASCALVOC format. For more detail, you can check all the things in the description box and also visit to our company website. I hope guys this information is beneficially for you. If it is so, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can also visit to company website. Thank you so much.